How to fix apps crashing in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open close app. After open and close app, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your latest variant will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest variant, then update it to latest variant. After update a latest variant, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.